This video contains affiliate links. If you purchase through them, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost. Today we are looking at childproof cabinet and drawer locks designed to help keep storage spaces organized. These locks are great for homes with curious toddlers who like exploring cabinets and drawers. They are easy to install using strong adhesive backing that sticks to smooth surfaces. No drilling or special tools are required for setup. Just clean the surface, peel the adhesive, and press the lock firmly into place. Wait a few hours before using to allow the adhesive to bond properly. These locks work on cabinets, drawers, and some storage doors around the house. They help reduce unwanted opening of storage spaces during daily home activity. The design is low profile, so it blends in with most furniture styles. This means you can maintain a clean look while adding practical functionality. Each lock is built to handle repeated opening and closing throughout the day. Parents often use these in kitchens to keep cabinets neatly closed. They also work well in bathrooms and storage closets. The adhesive is designed to hold strongly on smooth, clean surfaces. Make sure surfaces are free from dust, grease, or moisture before installation. These locks come in a multi-pack, giving you multiple pieces for different rooms. That makes it easier to secure several cabinets at once. The strap design allows flexibility while still holding doors tightly closed. To open, simply release the strap latch mechanism. It's simple enough for adults, but helps reduce unwanted opening by small children. These locks can be removed later without damaging most furniture surfaces. Slowly peel them off to reduce residue left behind. Many families like using them for daily home organization. They help keep cleaning supplies and tools stored more neatly. They are also helpful for keeping snack cabinets more controlled. The compact design means they do not take up extra space. If you want to check pricing or read customer reviews, visit the link in the description. Remember, this is an affiliate product link, meaning I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. Many buyers choose these locks for everyday household convenience. They are designed for long-term use around busy homes. Thanks for watching this quick product overview. Subscribe for more product reviews and home organization ideas.